Hi, welcome to Eczema Phoenix, where we learn how to transform the way we live with eczema. My name is Terry Alabada, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite skincare products from Australia and New Zealand. So, in New Zealand, there's a certain brand called Antipodes, and they are super luxe, super lush. I just feel like their products are a drink of water for my skin. They have really high quality organic herbal extracts and botanicals. And so, a couple of my favorite products of theirs have been the kiwi seed eye cream. Don't know if this will zoom in, but it's been so good and non-irritating to my eyes at all, and I do feel like it has actually like softened and evened out the area underneath my eyes really well. I just had no issues with it at all, and the eye area is so sensitive that I'm super loyal to this right now until I find something better. Another product of theirs that's really amazing is this Worship Skin Defense Antioxidant Serum, and it's a water-based facial serum. It is literally like a drink of water. It has reishi mushroom, it is anti-aging, full of antioxidants, and just holding it right now, I can feel how cooling and soothing all the ingredients are, like just temperature-wise, it comes through the bottle. So good. And so in Australia, I was lucky enough to stop by Perth, and I know like a lot of people don't have much to say about Perth from Australia or New Zealand. It's mostly known for its mining companies and that it's a growing community, but it's not very touristy, which I love, so I enjoyed it. If you're there, Northbridge and Fremantle are really great districts to visit if you like health-oriented stuff or just high-quality food and, I don't know, pretty lights. So in any case, a brand that originated from Perth that I really love has been MooGoo. Oh my god, this brand, lifesaver, love it. Oh my god, it's just been like they really know what they're doing. Start from a farm, and they do have products that have cream in it, but I am vegan, and they do have a very large range of vegan products as well. They even have specific cream like this one for eczema and psoriasis, and I have found this to be quite beautiful for my face. This is their newest formulation of this, and it includes marshmallow and elderberry extract, which it just adds like a much more soothing and calming quality to this formula. The original one, which I consider the MVP of their line for me, has been their original eczema and psoriasis cream, and this is so good. Its main active ingredient, from what I can tell in the formulation, is sage oil, and I found this to be super helpful on my candida rashes. Actually, like there were some that were like on my hand before, they just actual psoriasis, and this really like helped just clear them out regardless of my diet. But of course, having clearing out my diet has been a big part of my healing. But this I really recommend for the body. I had some like weird things going down there, you know, in the intimate area, and this really like cleared it up, and I'm just like, oh my god, MVP, like, oh, so loyal. Thank you, Mugu, for creating your line. So affordable as well. Like this whole body size bottle was just 25 Australian dollars. And let's see, like this eye cream alone is like about 50 to 60 Australian dollars as well. And right now, Australia's dollar, I think, is about like 75% of the US dollar. So, I mean, that's just something to think about. But they're all really high quality, and I use them like on my face and stuff as well. Also with this, I could use it on my face, but I did find this formula to be quite strong with the ingredients in it. It just had a stronger, like more medicinal feel, which felt a little bit harsh and drying on my facial skin, but on my body it's really great. And so the new formulation with marshmallow and elderberry is really great for my face and neck. Also, some other products from Mugu that I like are their serums. They're oil-based serums. This one is a super vitamin C serum. Let me read that. There we go. And I really like this because it's for sun damage, and there's like no ozone layer out here in the South Pacific, so I've been getting sunburned like crazy, more than I ever had at home back in California. So really grateful for this. Has been helpful, been peeling and healing. And the other serum that they have that I like is their evening primrose and starflower oil serum, and I really like this because I am in love with evening primrose, and that I always feel heals my skin on a deeper level, very much like flaxseed oil, full of omega oils that are super helpful for healing in general, to consume internally or externally. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. Hope you'll try out at least one of these products or brands out. They are all high quality. I really recommend them for eczema, especially if you have like fungal infections or like oozing and anything bacterial related. These are just super duper healing. Highly recommend them. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.